Hey, what's up, designers and creators? Welcome back to Graphix Horizon, the ultimate destination for premium graphic resources. Today, I've got something insanely special just for you. If you're a designer, content creator, or just someone who loves high-quality logos, then stick around because I'm giving away 3 premium logo designs for free. That's right. These are fully editable PSD files, meaning you can tweak them, change the colors, add effects, and make them your own. But before we jump into the downloads, let me show you exactly what you're getting and why these logos are a must-have for your design arsenal. First up, we have this stunning blue-themed logo. Just look at the depth, the shine, and the futuristic vibes in this design. This is perfect for gaming channels, tech brands, or futuristic design projects. The dark background complements the neon glow, making it pop in any digital setting. You can completely customize this PSD file, adjust the lighting, textures, and typography to make it truly your own. Next, we've got the electrifying green version. This one radiates power and energy. The green glow gives off a cyberpunk, hacker, or eSports vibe, making it an excellent choice for gaming and tech-related projects. It's bold, eye-catching, and completely customizable. The PSD file is structured neatly, so you can easily tweak the layers, change the glow intensity, or even add your own branding. If you love high-energy designs, this is for you. Last but not least, we have the dark green variant. Now, this one is for those who love a mystical and stealthy aesthetic. It's darker, sharper, and gives off a powerful presence. This could be used for branding, tech startups, gaming clans, or even merchandise designs. It's got that next-level feel, and once you start experimenting with it in Photoshop, you'll see why it's a game changer. Want to see what's possible? Check this out. The best part? You can make these logos truly yours. Change the colors, adjust the glow, add textures, or even blend them with your own branding. These PSD files are structured with easy-to-use layers, so even if you're not a Photoshop pro, you can create something epic in just a few clicks. Not sure where to use these logos? Check this out. These logos aren't just for fun. They're powerful branding tools. Whether you need a striking YouTube banner, a sleek business logo, or a custom overlay for your gaming stream, these designs will take your visuals to the next level. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, how to get these PSD files for free. 1. Hit that like button to support this giveaway. 2. Subscribe if you haven't already, because more premium resources are coming your way. 3. Check the description below. You'll find a link to download all 3 logos instantly. But wait, bonus tip. If you customize any of these logos and share them on social media, tag Graphix Horizon. I might feature your design in my next video. This is just the beginning, guys. More logo packs, templates, and design resources are on the way. So if you want to level up your design game, stay tuned. Also, drop a comment below and let me know which logo is your favorite. All right, that's it for today. Download, create, and keep pushing your design limits. This is Graphix Horizon, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.